In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone issues in Jira. So let's dive right in and make this process as smooth as possible. To start, direct your attention to the top of your Jira dashboard, where you'll find the search bar. Click on that bar, which allows us to access the broad range of functionality Jira offers. Once you've clicked on the search bar, the next step is to head over to View All Work Items. This section is crucial because it gives you a comprehensive view of all your current tasks and issues. From there, you'll want to utilize the sorting options available. These options allow you to efficiently organize these work items based on your specific needs. Take a moment to carefully select the work items or issues that you wish to clone. Prioritizing and organizing helps ensure nothing important is overlooked during the cloning process. After sorting and selecting, look to the top right of your screen where you'll find the Export button. Clicking this is essential as it allows you to take your selected work items to the next step. When you click Export, it will provide you with a few choices. Select Export CSV. This file format is crucial because it makes your data easily transferable, which is exactly what we need for cloning these issues into a new project. Now, with your CSV file safely exported, you're ready for the next phase. This CSV file is essentially a snapshot of your selected issues and will act as the foundation for your cloning process. To import these to a new Jira project, we begin by creating a new project. You can do this by clicking on the plus icon conveniently located next to the Projects button on the left-hand panel of your dashboard. It's an intuitive step designed to keep your next move just a click away. Once your new project page is open, look for the option labeled Import Data. This option is specifically for integrating existing data, just like your freshly exported CSV file, into your new project space. After selecting Import Data, follow the prompts to upload your CSV file. As you initiate the importing process, you'll have the chance to create and customize the details of your new project. This is your moment to tailor the project exactly as you need it, incorporating all the essential elements to ensure your cloned issues are ready to roll. And that's it. You've successfully cloned your issues in Jira. Whether you're managing multiple projects or simply need to replicate tasks with precision, this process ensures efficiency and clarity. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you today.